What's up, everybody? I'm back with another garden update. I've got a few challenges. Let me show you what's going on. So generally everything is going well for the most part, but there are a few concerns. First thing is this spinach. It's growing a little bit slow for me. I think we're having some challenges there. I need to find a little bit more sunlight for this spinach. These bush beans are doing well. This tree is leaning and there's a broken branch. This is my main concern over here. All right, so first thing is this arugula is bolting. As you can see, blooms are starting to form. So that means it's going to seed. And the research that I've done has told me that either they're stressed out or they're probably getting a little bit too much sunlight. So I need to figure out a new place so that my arugula can thrive. Now, as we look at the lettuce, our lettuces, some of them are doing well. Like for instance, this is doing really well. Same here. This is the butter crunch. Otherwise, like I said, most of them are doing well, but we've got some challenges. This is stressing a bit. We've got some that have just downright died, that aren't here anymore. And I think these are struggling. Sugar snap peas are trying to grab a hold of these poles and climb. Look at how these tomato plants are thriving. It's time to address some of the suckers on those tomato plants. Okay, the strawberries. I've got one really nice ripe strawberry so far. The carrots, most of them are finally standing up or looking vibrant and strong, but there are a few that are not. I've got some replacements for the carrots that aren't doing so well. So this is the Lacento kale, and the challenge that I have with that is I don't think I have enough. I need more kale. I need to figure that out. Those are my beets. These are the radish. Chives. All right, so you saw what I'm working with. I'm in need of some more lettuce. I'm in need of some arugula, some spinach. I need to figure out my carrot situation and the kale. Yeah, let's go to the store. All right, I'm back at the nursery and they have plenty to choose from. The lettuce selection is on point today. They've got some good looking spinach too. These are the little finger carrots I need. They don't get too big, hence the name little finger, and it makes them perfect for containers. These look great. I'm getting some of this arugula to replace my bolting arugula. All right, so you saw the selection at the store. Let me show you what I got. This is what I got. So I did a little research and I found lettuce varieties that are a little bit more resilient than some of the varieties that I have over there. Some that, because what my plan is to do what they call cut and come again harvesting, so that I continuously clip and they'll continue to grow. Those tiered garden, or those tiered planters that I have back there with the lettuce in it, I think they're gonna need to move. They're getting too much sun, and I got some other things in the garden that's not getting enough sun. I wanna get the lettuces out of so much direct sunlight. I think it's contributing to the stresses they're having. Now that I have the planters placed, I need to harvest what I can from the plants I'm removing and also harvest what is ready from what I'm not removing. That's a pretty nice haul of salad greens. I may as well harvest this strawberry. It's ready. I need some herbs to make a dressing for this salad. Now I just need to pull the plants that need to be replaced. I'm going to place my arugula on the lower tier this time. These are the gourmet blend. These are the Lola Rosa. I think the lettuces will do better on this side.
I'm planting spinach where I had a couple of lettuce plants. I got these containers for my kale. I didn't think I had enough planted. There were a few of the carrot plants that struggled from the beginning. I replaced those, and what was left I planted in one of my potato bags. I got some dandelion thanks to Lily Johnson 3450. Thanks, Lily Johnson 3450. I usually purchase it along with my salad greens whenever I see it fresh in the store. Now for these tomato plants, I need to remove the suckers. Suckers are the small shoots that grow in the V between the main stem and a leaf branch. This will help focus energy on fruiting, not more foliage. Now to give what I planted a drink.
All right, so I made some changes, moved some things around. As you can see, I think the flow is a lot better, and my tiered planters over there are in a lot better place where they won't get too much direct sunlight. But the spinach and the carrots are back there and they can get as much sunlight as they want. So starting here, I moved some of my kale from the garden bed over there and put them into these containers. In addition to that, I bought a few more plants. So this is the Lacento kale. That's the dandelion. So I'll be able to do what they call cut and come again harvesting with the dandelion, and it's the same thing with all of my salad greens, the lettuces and the kale. I'm sorry, the lettuces, the kale, the spinach, the arugula, all of that is the cut and come again. None of it will mature to, none of the heads of lettuce will mature to full size. Speaking of the lettuce, so I swapped some things out here. Found some varieties that are more suited to cut and come again, and I replaced them. I think everything looks a lot better, looks a lot more vibrant. This is the arugula. I moved the arugula from the top down because that last arugula, as you saw, it was bolting. So I moved the carrots and the spinach back here, and as you can see, the new spinach looks a lot different than the spinach that I had initially. Much darker. We'll see how it goes. So over here, where I had kale, I replaced that with spinach. Still have a few kale plants here. And I've got some more carrots. So I just utilized the potato bag since I don't have my potatoes yet. And I'm probably gonna have to end up getting more bags for the potatoes. All right, so that was the garden update. But it's time to relax. So this is the strawberry I picked. super sweet. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that subscribe button and hit the like button as well. And until next video, cheers.